sum of first n terms in an arithmetic progression. Using this material board, you can understand three things. 1. The concept of arithmetic progression. 2. How to find the nth term of the arithmetic progression. And 3. How we derive the formula to find the sum of n terms in the arithmetic progression. So first, let's understand the concept of arithmetic progression. What is an arithmetic progression? It is a series of numbers in which the difference between the succeeding and the preceding numbers are same throughout the series. It is known as the common difference and is represented with letter small d. Now let's first look at how we can create this arithmetic series. Okay, so first, the first number is represented with this letter A. Now let's place the first term in this series like this. Now let's place the second term. The second term will be A plus D. D here is the common difference. So here when you minus the second term with the first term, that is A plus D minus A, you will get D. Now let's look at the third term. The third term is going to be A plus 2D. Now when you find the difference between the third term and the second term, that is A plus 2D minus A plus D will give you D. So here you can understand the difference between the successive term and the previous term. They are always the same. It is D. Now let's go on with the series. The fourth one here is A plus 3D. Let's arrange it like this. Then the next we have A plus 4D. Okay, so here I am using 5. N is going to be 5, but you can continue as much as you can. Now one more thing you can observe here is this is A plus N minus 1D, right? So this is the fifth term here, but here it is 5 minus 1D. You have only 4 D's here. So what will be your n term? It will be A plus N minus 1D. So that's how you understand this arithmetic progression. Now let's understand how we derive the formula to find the sum of the first n term. So for which I am going to make this into a rectangle. Okay. So let's add on some magnetic points here like this. I'm adding 1 here to complete this. I'm adding 2. Here I'm adding 3. Here I'm adding 4. And this 5 numbers, I'm adding it like this. So here you can see we have formed a rectangle. One more thing you can observe is here you have A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D and A plus 4D. Same as this. So we have added this same thing again here to make this a rectangle. Okay. Now let's find out the area of a rectangle. You all know the area is length into breadth. Now what is the length here? Here the length is going to be n, the numbers which we are going to select. Here it is 5. So you can do accordingly to the number which you are selecting. So the length here is n. And what is the breadth? Breadth here you can see is 2a. And what is this? N minus 1d. So this is 2a plus n minus 1d. So this is the breadth. So now what will be the area? N into 2a plus n minus 1d, right? This is the length into breadth, the area of the rectangle. But what do we need? We only need half of it, right? This half was added. We need only half of it. So divide it into half. So this is going to be 1 by 2 into n into brackets 2a plus n minus 1d. So the formula to find the sum of the first n terms in an arithmetic progression will be n by 2 into brackets 2a plus n minus 1d. Simple, isn't it?